Goddamn it, boo, what the fuck did you do this time?
The janitor caught me jerking off in the boys' locker room again.
Again? You little bastard, you don't know how close you were before I dropped the ban hammer on you.
Yeah, well, drop that motherfucker cause I obviously don't care about shit but pizza and jerk in it.
If you think you're being funny right now, you little rug maker, then you're not.
Fuck you, Principal Banks, I will kill your old ass.
Listen here, you little goddamn cum jacket. I will fucking have your ass sent to juvie.
Yeah, so what, you old bastard? It'll fucking jerk my muffin in there too. You think I give a fuck?
Listen here, you little terrorist son of a bastard. I will ship you an ass whip and you will never forget. You got that shit, you little fucking cock trafficker?
First off, you wrinkled old turd. I will shit in her coffee and piss in her milk if you keep fucking with me.
Alright, motherfucker, you wanna get hood with me? Then let's take this shit to the football field, cuz.
Let's go then, nigga. It'll just talk my way out of it. That's obviously my gift in life. Talk talk talk. I don't care.